Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for a cracking week. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make these super cute page toppers. Now I have the video request on the video we done last week when we played with the doilies. This one here, few of you have sent me a couple of emails and comments to say that they love the doilies, if I can share some more project with doilies. Now I have another video on my channel. If you go into the search bar and type page corner, I've done a similar video to this, but instead of being toppers they were folded in a quarter, so you get like a quarter shape. So I've done that. I'll put that video at the end of this one in case you guys want to check it out. But these are simply doilies page topper. So you can use it, so if this is your journal for example, you can use it this way so it stays on top of your journal, or if for example the page is this way, you can use it as a side pocket. So it depends on what you do. You can leave it like that, or you can use it as a bookmark as well for your books. So you can use this to decorate envelopes, cards, or anything that you want. Before I show you how to make them, keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so I've got my doilies here that you saw on Wednesday as well, and I think, let's see, I'm going to use some of these are rub-on stickers, and I got loads. I think I got quite a few. I mean, some have been used, some are not, but what I want to showcase today, I want to showcase the this is one of my favorite digital papers that I have designed because it's got lots of like pastel color. Now I am the man of contrast, so I like geometric and floral, I like black and pastel color, I like yellow and blue, I like something that it clashes but somehow in my opinion works. So this one here, this kit I'm going to show you really quickly, is a pastel set, but also it's got some vibrant butterfly, some vibrant color in it. So it's called a Midsummer's Daydream, and it's a collection of different ephemera backgrounds. So you have tags, you have a gift box. So this is a milk carton gift box. When you do it up, it will look like this. So you got your 4 squares, you got this triangle here, which is those 2 pieces that you simply pinch it close. I tend to use pegs because I want the person that gets the gift box to be able to reuse it. Again, you got butterfly shapes ephemera with some orange and blue, some tabs and some balloons, some more tags, and again a soft pastel background with some deep dark butterflies. Oh, I love these. This is probably my favorite page. Yeah, I love it. And I gave you a lilac version of that. Another page with pastel and contrast. Look at that. Yellow, blue and purple. You might not like it, and I completely appreciate that 100%, but I do, and I think it really works. It might not be for everybody, but I think in my, you know, for my taste, it works. I love it. Look at that. And then there is a red and teal, like turquoise teal version. So what I'm going to use today, because I've got these the doilies, I've got green and pink. I think I'm going to use that for that because I think it works, and maybe let's keep the pink tone on tone, okay, because I think it's gonna work. Right, I'm going to cut them and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'll do one with you and I'm gonna do one off camera because I don't want this video to be extremely long. So what I'm going to do, so because we're doing a page topper, if we only use doily, they're gonna get damaged because they're really thin. So I cut just the shape of cardstock, and I picked a blue one because I think it works well with the butterflies, and you probably won't even see it anyway. But what I suggest you guys to do, fold everything in a half first, okay, because this will make life so much easier when we glue everything together. Okay, so this will be on top of the page. Now you can use this on top. So give me a page. Okay, so this is one of my page. So you can do on your journal this way, okay, or if your journal is like that, you can put it on the side, okay, so and that will stay. That, I hope it's clear. So you can use it on top of your page or on the side of your page. I hope it makes sense. Then we're going to fold the pink one as well. I'm just going to fold this. And I'm just going to fold this one here. Okay, so what you guys do, you simply put it together. Where's my glue? Just make some scrap. Okay, I got some scrap paper in here. So I'm going to put some glue there. Oopsie, I need this first. I forgot. Yeah, do your cardstock first, because this piece of cardstock here will be the strength, the body of our topper. Okay, so do this first, kind of like trying to center it, put it in the middle of it. Okay, and then we put this on top. Now again, fold it. Okay, and just wait for a few seconds. Make sure both sides are done. Just get the wipe. Just put some glue on this piece as well. Okay, fold it in half. Okay, so that's done. Then now what I'm going to do, I want to use up all these stickers here. Okay, so I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to zoom it in first. Okay, and I'll zoom it up for you. Okay guys, done. So this is the one you saw me doing when I speed it up. I added another butterfly from my kit because I didn't like this butterfly to be upside down. And then all of these are the ribbon stickers that from Topology, in case you guys want to check it out. So that's the front, that's the back. Now you can decorate the back as well, because of course if you put this on the page you're going to see it. Okay, so if you grow it this way you'll be able to see it. And this is the one I've done off camera. Okay, so that's all the stickers, and this is from my kit, and that is the back. Very, very simple, very plain. With this sort of project, when you play with doilies, it's completely up to you how heavily you want to decorate them. If you do, you can put this, for example, on envelopes. Okay, so if you do like a card or like a little present, you can either do like initial of the person, and it's a personalized little gift as well. There is so many things that you can use this little embellishment, but in my head they were like page, side or topper, if it makes sense. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Hope you liked this video. It's a very simple. Thank you so much for the lovely comment that you guys left on my other video last week. I didn't realize that you guys like doilies as much as I do. Truly appreciate it. If you wish to check my digital papers, the Midsummer's Day Dream, all the links are listed in the info box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with the journey on YouTube. I will see you on Wednesday for another VIP video. And by then, stay safe. Well, mwah. Bye.